a digital exhibition hall. A trade fair offers, among other things, a complete overview of the industry. Our digital event platform does too. As an exhibitor, you are represented with your digital exhibition stand in the Exhibitor Products area of the main navigation. In the show floor depicted there, exhibitors and partners introduce themselves using tile banners. These act as access to the various exhibitor stands, the showrooms. Interested trade fair participants and exhibitors can, for example, make an appointment here quickly and easily. The showroom is interactive and individually arranged, so that in addition to the brand-appropriate presentation of innovations and products, direct exchange with the exhibitor is also an option. The audio-video room provides an opportunity to communicate immediately with the contact and arrange appointments. There is also additional accompanying information within the showroom, such as videos, images, product brochures, and other PDFs to download. Links to interesting business-related sessions can also be found here.